In this video, I will show you exactly how to take your web project from a local folder to a live website using Netlify. This platform is incredibly powerful because it simplifies the entire deployment process into a few clicks. To get started, make sure you are logged into your dashboard. Once you are there, look for the button labeled Add New Site. When you click it, a small menu will appear where you should select the option to import an existing project. This is the most efficient way to deploy because it links your code directly to the hosting service. After you select that option, Netlify will ask you to authorize your Git provider. While they support several options like GitLab and Bitbucket, most developers prefer GitHub. Click on your provider and grant Netlify the necessary permissions to view your account. This step is completely safe and is required so the platform can see the code you have ready for the world. Once the authorization is complete, a list of your repositories will appear on the screen. Scroll through your projects and select the specific repository you wish to link to your site. After you choose the right project, you can review your build settings, but for most modern frameworks, Netlify will automatically detect everything for you. Simply hit the deploy button at the bottom of the page and wait a few moments for the magic to happen. Your site will be live with a custom URL in no time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope your new website launch is a massive success. Stay tuned for more tips.